Hello my champions and welcome back. Today we are solving a very beautiful problem from the American mathematics competitions. Now before we attack the problem, a quick fun fact. The AMC is conducted by the Mathematical Association of America and students from 100 plus countries participate in it. And here is the interesting thing about AMC problems. They are not calculation monsters and they are idea monsters. If you see a big number like 4050 degree polynomial, AMC is basically saying relax, there is a trick hiding there. And today we are going to expose that trick. So first come to the question. Uh, the harmonic mean of numbers is defined as the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of their reciprocals. Example given for 445 HM will be 1 by 1/3 of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Okay, which equals to 30 by 7. Now the question asks find the harmonic mean of all real roots of the polynomial summation k is equal to 1 to 2025 kx square minus 4x minus 3. So students immediately panic here. I know that. Like degree 4050, and I say exactly. That means we should not expand anything. So look at the structure first. Kx square minus 4x minus 3 is a quadratic. So just a second. Let's solve this together. Kx square minus 4x minus 3. This is a quadratic and we multiply 2025 such quadratics. So total roots will be 4050. But we only care about the real roots. Let's check the discriminant. For kx square minus 4x minus 3, the discriminant will be minus 4 whole square minus 4 into k into minus 3, that is 16 plus 12k. This is always positive for k greater than equal to 1. Okay, so each quadratic gives 2 real roots, so total real roots will be 4050. Okay, now whenever you see a polynomial written as a product of smaller polynomials, never expand. Instead analyze each factor separately. AMC loves this trick. Now the formula mean of the numbers R1, R2 and that goes up to Rn is the HM will be n by summation of 1 by Ri. Okay, so we need summation of 1 by roots, but instead of summing all 4050 reciprocals, we will use the formula. Okay, so for quadratic ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, roots are r1 and r2, then r1 plus r2 is equal to minus b by a, r1 r2 will be c by a. Now watch this beautiful identity. So we get 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 is equal to r1 plus r2 by r1 r2. Okay, this identity is a secret AMC weapon. So whenever a question asks about the reciprocals of roots, immediately use r1 plus r2 by r1 r2. Okay, now for our quadratic kx square minus 4x minus 3, kx square minus 4x minus 3. Here a is what? K, b is minus 4 and c is minus 3, right? So r1 plus r2 will be 4 by k and r1 r2 will be minus of 3 by k. Okay, now compute. So 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 will be R1 plus R2 by R1 R2. Now substitute. So we get 4 by k by minus of 3 by k. Now the k cancels. So this becomes minus of 4 by 3. Right? Now, important observation. For every quadratic, the sum of reciprocal is the same number. This is the magic moment. Even though the coefficient k changes from 1, 2, 3 to 2, 20, 25, the reciprocal sum does not depend on k. AMC problem loves this kind of cancellation. Now, each quadratic contributes minus 4 by 3. There are 25 quadratics. So, summation of 1 by Ri will be 25 into minus 4 by 3. So, that is minus 2700. Okay. Now, the total roots are 4050. Harmonic mean HM is 4050 by minus of 2700. So, simplify. So, the HM we get is minus of 3 by 2, right? So, the final answer for this question will be minus of 3 by 2. So, students, what looked scary was actually simple. We had 40-50 roots, 20-25 quadratics, but only one idea saved us. That idea was this formula. Right? So, whenever you see the large degree polynomial, product form, harmonic or reciprocal expression, your brain should immediately say, I should use this. Okay? So, that is exactly how problems from the American mathematics competitions are designed. They reward inside over calculation. So, the final answer for this question is minus of 3 by 2. So, this was the whole calculation for this question. I hope every concept is clear to you. If you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible I can. So, see you in the next session, students. Till then, bye-bye and keep learning and keep growing with only Dr. Shorov's classes.